Yes guys, welcome to Chef Hampshire, where today we're going to be making cauliflower and courgette fritters. Let's do this. So let's start with our cauliflower. I have a large cauliflower here. Just want to cut it up into rough pieces, taking the stalk out. So cutting off all of these florets, so then you can separate it from the stalk, and you can put the stalk into your compost or save it for a stock. But for today's recipe, we are not needing this stalk part here. And then with these, maybe get them into smaller pieces, just that you can fit into a food processor. Now that we've cut up all of our cauliflower, whack it into the food processor and then grind it until it's kind of like cauliflower rice. We're then gonna move on to the courgettes. Now that all of our cauliflower is ground up, just like this ricey texture, you can now put that into a large mixing bowl and move it to one side. And now we can move on to our courgettes. So I have 2 small courgettes. You could just go with one really big one, but I prefer the smaller ones that have just a bit more flavor into it. You just want to cut them up roughly and then do the same and whack them into your food processor and just grind them up. You can then also grind up it with the scallions or the spring onions and 2 teaspoons of garlic paste, as well as 1 chili of your choice. You can go with more if you wanted it spicier, or you can completely omit the chili. Now that we've blitzed these up into almost a paste, you want to go in with 150 grams of all-purpose flour. Try and get it around all of it. You also want to go in with 2 tablespoons of flaxseed that's just been mixed in with water, which will act as an egg replacement, just to bind it all together. I'm going to get that in there and then blitz it up once again so it all becomes a homogeneous texture. So now that we've done that with our courgette mixture, let's take it out the food processor and mix it in with the cauliflower. You then want to get it to a consistency that you like, and then you can start moulding them into the fritter shapes and fry those off. Now that we've got them in together, you want to season it with a pinch of sea salt and a bit of black pepper, and then you want to go in with your hands and mix it all in so that everything is into one homogeneous paste texture. Then we can start building them into the patty shapes and get them fried off for fritters. Now I've got a pan on a high heat with some vegetable oil in it, and then you now want to take a ball of your mixture, just get it all together, flatten it out just into a fritter shape, and then you want to get it into the pan so that it sizzles, and then you want to flip it onto the other side once it's browned. Do that with all of this in batches until all of your mix is made into perfect fritters. Now that they've just browned on one side, you want to flip them over when they've got this beautiful brown colour across of it. Give it a flip onto its other side, cook it for a few minutes until it's brown on the other side, and then you're ready to eat them. Yes guys, now we have our cauliflower fritters ready to eat. So I've just served mine up with a few cherry tomatoes and some parsley. Beautifully ready, gourmet style cauliflower fritters. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, share, and then subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of the videos, where I'll be posting 2 cook-along videos every Wednesday at 6 PM and Sundays at 10 AM. If you want the recipes, please subscribe to my newsletter. They'll be in the description below, and make this recipe at home and then send them to me on Instagram at chef_Hampshire. Thanks for watching, and peace.